I'm gonna show you how to use Google Gemini Pro and VS Code with Cline. So to get started, you have to open your Visual Studio Code first. And then from there, you just have to go to add extensions right here. And then from the search bar, you have to search for the word Cline, C-L-I-N-E. And then from there, when the first one pops up, you have to click on the first one and then just click on install. Once after done, it's installing. A new icon will pop up on the left side of VS Code again, and then from there just have to click on Cline and go click the get started for free, and then you will be redirected. After that, you will just open it and you have to log into your Cline account, and then from there you just have to open, and then a new pop-up will appear right there, and you just have to expand it by dragging it across the screen. And then from the bottom pane right here, you will see that there's a code right here. You have to change this one because this one is the default one. So you go to API provider, you have to go to open router, and then from there you just have to go to get open API key, and then you have to sign in into your account again, and then just have to go to free, and then from there you just have to search Gemini 2.5 Pro experimental because this one is just free. So from there just have to go to API key right here beside this one, and then from there you just have to click on create API key. After that, you just have to rename your API key. I'm gonna rename it tutorial, and then from there you can just modify the settings. Click on advanced settings if you want one, and then just click on create, and then from there you just have to copy it because this is only a one-time show password. So from there you just have to copy the API key right there, and then you go back to your VS Code, and then from there you just have to paste the API key right here. And then after that, you just have to change the model right beneath this one. So from here you just have to find the Gemini 2.5 Pro experimental. So sometimes it changes a lot, so you have to find a right model for this one that will work, because sometimes they update the models that it doesn't work, and you need to restart sometimes VS Code just to work it out, or the app works. So from there, when you're done selecting the one, you just have to create a task or just try it out, and then from there you're just gonna create and then use the Gemini or Gemini 2.5 Pro. So from there just have to click or create a task or just sample one. So from there you just have to click on create a code right here, and then from there that's how to use your Google Gemini 2.5 Pro in VS Code with Cline.